Smashburgers. You see them all over. They've really made a comeback. And what doesn't work better than Nutrafarms ground beef? An 80-20 mix, so 80% meat, 20% fat. As you can just see how well marbled this is. We have our 4 2.5 ounce to almost 3 ounce patties. I've got my fry pan behind me. We're just warming it up. You want the pan to be hot, and then we're gonna add in our burgers. We're gonna take our press down our burgers, turn over. See the nice little bark that you're having there? We're gonna smash it down one more time. In real time, this is gonna take between 2.5 and 3 minutes. Melt a little bit of cheese on your Smashburger, and we're gonna make this even more Canadiana by adding a piece of peameal, burger, pretzel bun, or your favorite whatever bun. For more great tasting recipes, check out nutrafarms.ca.